What's the meaning of avert? Avert. Avert.
Avert. Avert. The word avert means to prevent or avoid something unwanted or harmful from happening. It involves taking action to divert a potential danger or disaster away from its intended course. By averting a crisis, one is able to mitigate the impact of the situation and prevent it from escalating into a larger problem. A person or organization that successfully averts a crisis is often praised for their proactive measures and ability to think quickly under pressure. Overall, avert is a term used to describe the act of stopping something negative from occurring.